Hi, welcome to my video on comparing two integers. Inequality symbols. Number one, that symbol, which is like an arrow pointing to the right, that symbol is for greater than. Is used when one number is to the right of another. 4 is greater than 1. 4 is greater than 1. So that symbol there is for greater than. 4 is to the right of 1 on the number line. And number 2, this symbol is for less than. This symbol for less than is used when one number is to the left of another. So 2 to the left of 5, 2 is less than 5, 2 is to the left of 5 on the number line. Note, the arrow is pointing to the right. Note, the arrow is pointing to the left. So that symbol is greater than, that one is less than. Let's do some examples. I have a number line here for you. Examples. 8 is greater than 1. 8 is right there. 1 is right there. So 8 is to the right. 8 is to the right of 1. 2 is less than 6. 2 is there. 6 is there. 2 is to the left of 6. 4 is greater than negative 2. 4 is there. Negative 2 is there. So notice 4 is to the right of negative 2. So this symbol means greater than, to the right of. This symbol is less than, means to the left of. So fill in the blank. Negative 10 is there. 0 is there. So negative 10 is to the left. So negative 10 is less than, pointing to the left. Negative 6 is right there. Negative 8 is there. So negative 6 is on the right. So negative 6 is greater than negative 8. Negative 8 compared to negative 6. Negative 8 is on the left of negative 6. So negative 8 is less than. And it makes sense. If negative 6 is greater than negative 8, then negative 8 must be less than negative 6 if you switch the numbers around. G, negative 1 compared to negative 5. Negative 5 compared to negative 1. Negative 5 is right there. Negative 1 is there. So negative 5 is less than. Notice negative 5 is that to the left when you compare to negative 1. 10 compared to negative 4. 10 is there. Negative 4 is there. So 10 is on the right. So 10 is greater than. Reason? Because it's on the right. Negative 3 and negative 7. Negative 3 is there. And negative 7 is there. So negative 3 is on the right. So negative 3 is greater than. Let's continue. Place greater than or less than in the blank to make the statement true. So notice pointing to the right is greater than. Pointing to the left is less than. So negative 5 is to the right. So negative 5 is greater. 0 compared to 4. 0 is on the left, so is less than. Negative 2 compared to 3. Negative 2 is on the left, so is less than. A negative number is always smaller than a positive number, and a positive number is always greater than a negative number. 7 is to the right of 2. 7 is greater than 2. Negative 1 and negative 9. Negative 1 is on the right of negative 9, so it's greater. Negative 50 compared to negative 40. On the number line, if you drew a number line and you got 0, negative 40 would be somewhere, let's say there. Negative 50 would be further over to the left, so negative 50 is less than negative 40. 3 is less than 11 because 3 is on the left. Negative 39 and a negative 69. Let's put a 0. Negative 39 would be right here. Negative 60 would be over on the left. So negative 39, negative 37 is on the right, so negative 37 is greater than. Be careful with the negatives. The positive numbers, like you know through seeing a lot of times that 10 is greater than 7. But when you do the negatives, be careful. Negative 1 is greater than negative 10. But 10 is greater than 1. So just be careful when you do negatives. Remember what's on the, when the numbers are on the right of each other, they're greater than, pointing to the right. When they're on the left, one number is on the left of the other, then it's less than. So being on the right is greater than, being on the left is less than. Notice on the right is pointing to the right. On the left is pointing to the left. If you like my video, then click on the like sign, the subscribe, the notification bell, and you want to write a comment, go ahead. And you may visit my math website at mathfullyexplained.com. There you see information in 3 different sections on me, my videos, my teaching experience. Sorry, I said videos. And my section on me will have my degrees and teaching experience. And my section on videos will tell you what teaching strategy you're going to use to help you learn your math. In the section on content, you will have the topics I'm going to have on my YouTube channel and the number of videos in each of those topics. And Black Font will have the videos that I have already completed and online, and the Red Font will have the videos that I will be doing in the future. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.